Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? We are back in our journey to learn modern Python for AI. The topic we are going to cover today is comments, and that is a significantly important topic, especially for Python. Why? Because Python is intended to be readable, understandable, easily modifiable, easily interactable, and the comments for in the world of programming are the most basic tools to make programming language more understandable. So for Python, when it's self-understandable and readable, if you add the comments in it, it becomes more closer and closer to the natural language, and that's how your codes become from good to better or to the best. Let's see how you can comment your code. For example, here I want to tell my peer, the coder that is coding with me, that I am taking the age from the user. I can do this by signifying a hash and then writing whatever I want to write, whatever the message I want to convey to the reader, to the coder that is going to interact with my code. It's possible that after a while, maybe I die, maybe I change the job, and someone else has to work upon it. So it's important that I should make it comprehensible for him that what am I doing with my code. I am taking the age from the user. Then I can say I am printing the age and the age of the user after 10 years in the next print statement. So this is how you can add comments to your code. But there is a challenge with me writing the comments like this. Can you identify that challenge? It is that I am stating what is obvious in the code. Yes, anyone can see that I am getting an input. Anyone can see that I am printing this statement. The dumbest of coders will understand that. So the meaning of the comment should not be obvious. It should be guiding. It should be solving the complexity. It should be a key to a lock. So in the next message, we are going to add some comments that are valuable, that add some value to your code. For example, you can say, we are taking the input so we can process the area which will go into the multi-variable calculus function. So that's how you can guide the reader of your code, how this piece of the code is systematically adding value to the whole of your code, to the whole organization of your code. This is a very crucial point when you're adding a comment. And sometimes you don't only want to add a single line, sometimes you want to add multiple lines in your code. But this hash will not work if you add spaces here. See, if I add the enter or space, this is going to be uncommented. In this case, I want to use triple quotes. Triple quotes will, if once started, it will comment all of the following letters that follow it. Unless and until you close that triple quote, Python is not going to understand till how much you want to comment the section. So it's important that if you start a triple quote, you end it on the intended space, or else you will see some really incomprehensible results and unexpected errors. Thank you very much. So in this lesson, we learned how to make single line comments and multi-line comments that can make your code more comprehensible and make your life and the life of your peer programmers easier and facilitated. Thank you very much.